Hello students, welcome to online classes by SCM Children Academy Haldor. My name is Tabassum Parveen and today I have come to you with the next topic of your class 8th English Literature. Chapter is 5.1 and the topic is the wrong house. रॉन्ग हाउस जैसा कि चैप्टर के नेम से ही डिस्क्राइब हो रहा है कि रॉन्ग हाउस इट मीन्स व्हेन वी एंटर अ रॉन्ग हाउस. So in this story there is a description of two men. You can say two thieves who who made a big robbery in a bank, and after the robbery they were wandering here and there to find a place where they would keep them safe, because now the police was chasing them. So they were wandering here and there and searching a safe place for themselves. So let's start. The night was dark and the house was dark and silent. Two men ran towards it quietly. Dark bushes surrounded the house. It means night भी बहुत dark है and house भी बहुत dark है because रात का time है. And dark and silence. House dark है and silence का means कि वहाँ कोई आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है. Two men ran towards it quietly. जो two men है, it means you can say two persons ran towards it because they wanted to hide themselves. Dark bushes surrounded the house because the house was surrounded by the dark bushes. The two men crouched low and slipped. Crouch means you can say bending down. The two men bending down and slipped through the bushes. Bushes से वो slipped होगा. They were coming out of the bushes and they reached the porch on the tiptoe. Tiptoe means on the अपने पंजों के बल चढ़ना. तो बिकॉज दे वॉन्टेड टू रीच द पोर्च. पोर्च मीन्स कह सकते हैं अपना एक प्लेस जहाँ वो अपने आप को हाइड करना चाहते हैं या एक सेफ प्लेस. दे स्टॉप देयर लिटिल एंड देन रैन अप द स्टेप्स क्वाइकली. दे स्टॉप्ड देयर बिकॉज दे फाउंड अ हाउस इन विच देयर वॉज अ डार्क एंड साइलेंट एंड रैन अप द स्टेप्स क्विकली. अब वो अपने कदम जो है स्टेप्स जो है बहुत तेज़ी से बढ़ा रहे हैं. द फ्रंट डोर वॉज लॉक्ड. When they found the house front door was locked. They knelt down by the door. Both of them were breathing heavily because they were running for a long time, so they were breathing heavily and they looked carefully in the dark shadows because they were hiding themselves and they were finding a safe place for themselves. So they were looking carefully in the dark shadows and wanted to, and you can say okay, they were trying to listen the noise in the house. They were trying to judge that whether there is anyone in the house or not. Then, kneeling in the dark, one of them whispered, "We can't stay out here. Take this briefcase. Let me try the keys I have. We have got to get in somehow." And now, the kneeling in the dark, one of them, because they were two men, so one of them whispered that we can't stay here because we have to keep the briefcase at the safe place. And let me try the keys. Now we have so many keys, so we have to try that. We may open the door. He tried one key after the another. Then 20-30 seconds, and after 10-20-30 seconds, they were success to open the door, and he was able to open the door. Two men entered the house. After opening the door, the two men entered the house. They closed the door behind them and locked it because they have the key. So they locked the door. They discussed the situation in low whispering tones. They were discussing in a very low voice so that nobody could hear them. Let's have a look around now. They were decided that we have to observe the house, that there is anyone in the house or not. Be careful, Hasty. The name of the one person is Hasty. So one another is saying to Hasty, be careful. Oh, there is not anybody in. Oh, I think there is nobody in the house. And with the rays of a torch, they surveyed the room and they wanted to judge the house that if there is anyone or not. So they were searching, yeah, you can say they were surveyed the rooms with the rays of torch. It was a large room, a living room. Living rooms mean you can say a common room, and where all the activities of the during the day we made done. Rugs means you can say the carpet had been carefully rolled and piled on one side. The carpet जो थी वो rolled हुई थी and piled कर उनको one side रखा हुआ था. The furniture, chairs, tables, couches lay covered with sheets. सब कुछ जो भी furniture था, infrastructure था, वो सब sheet से covered था. And a thick layer of dust lay like snow everything, and it was seemed that the dust of a layer of dust was seeming everywhere on the furniture. So it was looking that the family members were not there, far away. Well, Blackie. And another person's name was Blackie. Blackie. Well, Blackie, said the man with torch. The man who was handling, yeah, who was having the torch, he was said, well, we're in luck today. It means it is very good luck for us. It seems the family is away, and I think the family has gone away. Yeah, away on holiday. I think, however, we had better make sure be careful, Hasty. Now, Blackie was saying that, Hasty, we have to be careful, and I make sure that it is a very good luck for us that we have a house here. You can say we have a safe place where we hide themselves and we can keep this briefcase safe.